Hello everyone! Today, I'll guide you on obtaining a virtual credit card from PayPal. Let's jump right in. If you don't already have a PayPal account, make sure to sign up. I'll be logging into my account for this demo. Ensure your account is fully verified by following this step provided on the dashboard. Now, head over to a specific site, PayPal-prepaid.com. From here, this is where you can request a virtual PayPal debit, credit, or prepaid MasterCard. Then, click on Order Your Card or Get Started. Then go ahead, fill in the necessary details. There's a fun feature that you can even pick a color of your card that you want. After that, when you receive your card, remember to activate it. Just click Activate Your Card Account on the same website, prepaid-paypal.com. So, that's all. You now have your PayPal virtual credit card. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye-bye!